Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coffee hair rinse that will help to stop hair loss, dye your hair, and also improve the texture of your hair. So stay tuned. Make this coffee hair rinse, I'll be making use of bay leaf. Bay leaf has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It will help to fight dandruff, cleanse your scalp, and also boost hair growth. To add the bay leaf into a blender and blend. You can choose to skip this method. When I'm done blending, I'll add the bay leaf into a bowl. I'll be making use of green tea. I'll be making use of 2 bags of green tea. Green tea is so wonderful for this hair rinse. Green tea will prevent hair loss by blocking the hormones that induce hair loss. It will also help to promote hair regrowth and stimulate hair follicles. Add the green tea into the bowl. I will add 1 cup of warm water and allow to infuse. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to add the infused bay leaf and green tea liquid into a pot and allow it to boil for about 3 minutes. When the tea has boiled, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool before I strain to get the liquid. You can choose to use a chiffon cloth or cheesecloth. I will gently strain to get the liquid because I don't want the smaller particles from bay leaf and the green tea. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee will help to stimulate hair growth, stop hair fall. Coffee is dark in color, so it acts as a stain on the hair, and it's also a quick fix for hiding gray hair. Help to improve the texture of the hair. When I'm done adding the coffee, I will mix to combine. Adding olive oil. Feel free to add any oil of your choice. When I'm done mixing, I'm going to put the coffee rinse into a spray bottle. This coffee hair rinse is so good because it will help to stop hair fall and it will dye your hair and improve the hair texture. And to get effective results, you need to repeat this hair rinse to achieve your desired color. Apply this coffee hair rinse on a clean, wet hair and make sure that it touches all the parts of your hair Cover and leave to stay for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.